So, Bob, we are getting another forecast on what the hurricane season might
be like.
look like.
Yeah, and there's a big, Atlantic Ocean, the Caribbean, the Gulf of Mexico, it could be anywhere. And I tell you what, there's a lot going on with that. I can remember when there was only one guy who predicted the hurricane. Yeah, his name was Dr. William Gray back in 1985.
Wow.
Now there's, I don't know, half a dozen, maybe more people that are predicting what the season is going to be like. Earlier on, El Nino was expected to develop in the mid to late part of the season, and that would have knocked a lot of the storms down, but now that appears to be not the case. So the NOAA is predicting now a near normal or slightly above average hurricane season. What that means is that they're projecting 11 to 17 named storms, averages 12, 5 to 9 hurricanes, and 2 to 4 of those becoming major hurricanes. That's a little bit up. And also WSI, who also makes projections now, also actually upping their ante as a result of El Nino not going to be around, which typically knocks down these storms and creates some strong shear. So looks like it's not going to be happening. We may have a busier season than average, but all it takes is one storm to make it a busy season. Look at this. Great shot tonight. Boy, beautiful sky as the sun was setting. This one from Norm at McKechnie, and this one here from Sarasota. Jeffrey getting this one, some gravity wave clouds right there in the distance. And Siesta Key is a little tide pool. Fred Seeger sending that. It's just great shots right there. And that way's a webcam actually getting that nice looking sky too earlier tonight as the sun was setting. Quite a bit of clouds around, producing that nice pink glow to the sky. And tell you what, looks like it's going to be similar again tomorrow. Here's what's happening. The front is down to our south. As I mentioned, the shower is starting to wind down. Blue, I should say clear skies, but it's going to be blue skies all across the southeast tomorrow as a result of a large area of high pressure, which is dominating the weather right now. 70 degrees, the dew point comfortable. Winds are calm with the pressure 29.98 inches and rising. The high today was 83, below average. We'll stay below average tomorrow too. And the low temperatures will be below average tomorrow to start the day off. This morning's low was well above it. No rainfall to report. And for the month now, we're at 5 inches. Lows tonight will be in the mid-60s to start things off tomorrow morning. And 68 in Englewood, 64 in Mayaca City, Lakewood Ranch at 65, 67 degrees in Sarasota, and temperatures a little bit warmer near the water as you would expect. Water temperature still in the low 80s there, and that has an influence on the air temperature. Tomorrow's highs under beautiful blue skies, lots of sunshine, mid-80s tomorrow, just a couple degrees shy of the average, but the humidity will stay low due to some dry air that's trapped in the atmosphere. And on top of that, not the case over the northeast. Lots of moisture moving in around this large area of low pressure, which continues to bring rain, some of it heavy at times, into New Jersey, New York, heading off toward Boston, and severe weather tonight into Kansas along State Road 70, or I should say Interstate 70 is where the heaviest weather is. There's still some warnings in effect there for severe thunderstorms across the central U.S., but that is it across the United States. For us, that front kind of waffles back and forth over South Florida, and then it eventually fades away. We may see some high cloudiness from it, but not much. As I said, a lot of sunshine expected for Friday, Saturday, and into Sunday. So things looking really good for the holiday weekend. And as boaters are concerned, it's been tough going lately. It's going to get better, much better. Seas running 2 to 3 feet with a light chop on the bays and in the waters out there. The tide's upcoming. The next low tide will be at 7:06 and the high tide will be at 12:49. Tonight, mostly clear, 68 for your low, and looks nice. Tomorrow, 85 for high, mild conditions, and then the extended forecast is calling for gorgeous weather right through Sunday and into Memorial Day. High temperatures in the upper 80s by then, and a better chance for scattered afternoon storms on Wednesday and Thursday.